In this video, I will show you how to add a coming soon page on Squarespace. So the first step is to go to pages, and then you're gonna have to simply create a new page. Now here what you're gonna have to do is simply select blank page and then name it coming soon. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on the settings icon, and then you're gonna have to scroll down and then click on set as homepage, then confirm. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go back, and then you're gonna have to simply edit the page and then simply add a section, and then here you can simply add some text, and here you can say that you can add the text and say coming soon. So basically I'm gonna add this one here, and I'm gonna change it to coming soon, just like this. And basically that's it. I'm gonna delete this button, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.